If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Y'all know, I brought the jacket. Look at this. Look at this. Cause you already know this song gonna be crazy. Freaking Ice on My Teeth. As you see right here, ATEEZ, Ice on My Teeth. Now, if you guys are living under a rock, then nah. But I feel like a lot of people know about ATEEZ enough. I mean, listen, they big time. They big time. Especially the song Ice in My Teeth trailer. The Ice in My Teeth trailer goes hard. I liked it just off the bat, just from the trailer and the teaser. So imagine the whole music video. Well, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop. Whew. I'm kind of scared. Bro, off the bat. Off the bat, bro. Off the bat. Okay. I put diamonds on my dent. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stopping and let's just go through it. Let's just go through it and then get a second look. Smack it. Stop. Woo. Hey. Oh my God. The hair back. What y'all looking like? What, Peaky Blinders? Is that what they call him? Or what? It look like a funeral? What's happening? What? It look like a mafia actually. Adam's. Okay, Mingy. Wait, what you mean? Make what rain? Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Bro, he love that little curl on his head. Hey, welcome. Thanks for following. Let's go. I'm singing like I'm like a violin. With a Jung Ho coming up. Ooh, okay, ballerinas with a. Oh, what the heck? Oh! What the hell? I knew them. Bro. I knew something was up. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. God damn. This motherfucker. Yeah, got my money on my tail. Like tennis. Like tennis. That little smack it. Ooh, okay, sir. Hey, hey, hey. On my teeth. On my teeth. Hey, white teeth. Who the hell? That's me right there. I don't know how they got me in the music video. I don't know how they got me in the music video right here. That's crazy. With next to Yo song. That's crazy that they just featured me in there. What is that? Ventriloquist? Ooh. Sir! With a belt? He got the top knot? Got the top knot here? Why they look like they like vampires that are like in like a regal family or some shit? Let's go, Hong Jung. Woo! Hey, let's go, Mingy. Good, hit that. What? What you gonna hit? This ass? Is that what we gonna hit? Hit my what? Shot click. Hit that booty. You like? How you gonna say? Shake it. Like, what do you say? You don't do that. Oh my God, I know so many friends in all these all 18, he just like died just hearing that. All the Mingy stands too. Oh, that's how all the furniture was moving too. I was wondering. Oh, this is from the teaser. Is that his dentist? Woo! Hey! Like tennis! Like tennis! Smack it, smack it. Let me see that back. Let me see that back. Let me see what that back do. What that back do. What that back do. He went. He said what? He looked at his hand. He looked at his hand like that. Wait, like tennis. Like tennis. Smack that ass. He wants to smack that ass. That's what he's basically saying. You're the one trying to finish. Okay, back. Ice on my teeth. Ice on my teeth. Ice on my teeth. I'm white teeth. Hey. Ice on my teeth. Hey. Ice on my teeth. Hey. Ice on my teeth. Hey. White teeth. Ooh, that little string. Ooh. Oh my God, boy. Woo. What you drinking? What you drinking? Let me get some. Let me get some. Beautiful. Hangjun. You want to look at my teeth? Dang, they look like a regal family. Look at them. Like Adam's family, looking like they've been there for centuries, looking like vampires that just making money. They got that. They look like they got old money. That's what they look like. Shit. That was apple juice? Was that apple juice? Why did I say it look like Until Dawn? I think it's like the coloring of the music video too. One more time, y'all. One more time, y'all. One more time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got water. Off the bat. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Hey. Let me see that one more time. Is that a black lollipop? What flavor? Black licorice? What is that? Damn, look at that ring too. Look at that. Damn, your fingernails are kept well. I mean, I expect that, you know. Like tennis. Smack it. Smack it. Trying to finish what? Ice on my teeth. Ice on my teeth for my white teeth. Ice on my teeth. Ice on my teeth. Hey. Ice on my teeth. On my white teeth. Go. Hey, something breaking down. What was that dust? Hey, they kissed the ring? I love how the way he comes in, both Mingy and Hangjun, and the fact that like the two rappers are like such different voices too. It really is like it really does remind me of like, you know how like TOP and GD when they would rap back and forth. Always it reminds me of that. It's not the same at all. They're their own person. Obviously, Hangjun and Mingy are just great, but it's just that same feeling. Look at what he's wearing too. Woo! It is a twerk song. Hey, hey, hey. My boy, I forgot about you. I remember it and I forgot. Now I remember it again. Like, damn, you make me remind. You reminded me. That hat though, somehow. Got my money on my damn. Ooh, that hair though, bro. Ooh. I love that. Smack it, smack it, smack it, smack it. This is a twerk song for real. This is a twerk song. So what you saying is that I should twerk to this song? What you saying is that I'm trying to twerk? I should twerk to this song? Hold up, hold up. So you saying I should twerk on the beat, huh? Yeah, you trying to say? ATEEZ. ATEEZ, don't have to ask.
I've been playing like tennis, grand slam like tennis. You're the one trying to finish. Ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth, ice on my teeth.
Damn it! I twerk that shit, bro. You know what we're gonna do? We're going straight into the album. Let's go check out the album.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.